Hey guys, so you know those crazy moments when a crazy idea pops into your head and before you even have time to think about it, you're already doing it? Well, that's exactly what happened to me. As you can see in the background, I'm at JFK Airport and I decided to hop on a flight to Buffalo and find an RV dealer and buy my first camper. Now, why Buffalo? I don't know, but just sit tight and let's see what happens when we get there. All right, we just made it through security. Now let's go find our gate. Look at that. Alright guys, we have just landed in Buffalo. It was about a 52-minute flight. And now what we have to do is find the nearest RV dealership, take an Uber and start working on a deal. I'll see you there. Alright guys, we are here at Blue Compass dealership in Buffalo, New York. This was the closest one from the airport. It was about 20 minutes. So we're gonna go inside and see if we can work out a deal with any of those RVs. Right. They got a bunch of goodies over here. Some awesome vans, campers. You got a long line of trailers. Take a look at this little guy here. See if we can see what's inside. So, look at that, we got a little kitchen. Smells new in here. Oh, pretty cool. All right guys, so we just made a purchase and let me show you what we got. So this is it. That's our new addition to RV Overland. Let me take you around. Let's go inside. What's your step? So, master bedroom. Oh yeah. Kitchen area, living room, dining area. Yeah. That's our entertainment system. Ha! And bedroom number 2. That's that. See you at a campsite. So you can't fly to Buffalo and not go to Duff's famous wings. So let's get inside and get some wings.
Bad taste in her mouth. That's it.
All right, back at the airport, we're gonna hop on a plane and go back home. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.